Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm TechnoCradt, and I'm super excited to have you here. On this channel, you can expect reviews of the newest smartphones, laptops, and tech devices, also tech news updates. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Let's dive in. Huawei has once again pushed the boundaries of smartphone innovation with the introduction of the Mate XT Ultimate, the world's first trifold smartphone. This device seamlessly blends cutting-edge technology with a sleek, futuristic design, setting a new standard in the foldable smartphone market. Here are the full specifications, price, and availability of the Huawei Mate XT Ultimate. Curious? Please watch until the end. The Mate XT Ultimate features a unique trifold mechanism, allowing users to transition between 3 distinct display modes: a 6.4-inch screen when folded, a 7.9-inch intermediate mode, and a fully unfolded 10.2-inch display for multitasking. It features a 3K LTPO OLED screen with vibrant visuals and remains slim at just 3.6 millimeters when fully opened. The Mate XT Ultimate is powered by the Kirin 9010 processor, coupled with 16 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of internal storage. This robust configuration ensures smooth performance, whether you're multitasking, gaming, or streaming high-definition content. The Mate XT Ultimate features a versatile camera setup, including a 50-megapixel main sensor with variable aperture for improved depth and low-light shots, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens for landscapes, and a 12-megapixel telephoto lens with 5.5 times optical zoom. The front camera is an 8-megapixel sensor on the cover display, ensuring high-quality selfies and video calls. This system delivers excellent image quality across different shooting scenarios. The Mate XT Ultimate features a 5,600 mAh battery with 66-watt fast charging, 50% in 20 minutes, 50-watt wireless charging, and 7.5-watt reverse wireless charging for powering other devices. The Mate XT Ultimate runs on EMUI 14.2, offering a smooth user experience but lacks Google mobile services due to trade restrictions. It supports 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and USB Type-C 3.1 for fast and reliable connectivity. The Huawei Mate XT Ultimate is a premium foldable smartphone priced at €3,499, or around $3,660. Initially launched in China, it is now available in select global markets, including Malaysia, Indonesia, the Philippines, UAE, Saudi Arabia, and Mexico. Buyers should consider its high cost and lack of Google services before purchasing. The Huawei Mate XT Ultimate showcases Huawei's innovation with its trifold design, strong performance, and versatile cameras. While appealing to tech enthusiasts and professionals, its high price and software limitations should be considered. So, what do you think about the Huawei Mate XT Ultimate? Are you interested in buying it? Please comment below. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. And for those who haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my latest videos. See you in the next one. Bye.